Hello, Leslie here with another plan with me. We're in my mini Recollections, and I'm going to be using a mini kit to go with my mini planner from Green Darner Designs. You can find them on Instagram. When I looked up to make sure that they were still a shop, because I haven't ordered from them in a while, they are a Canadian shop, and they do have a 10% off code NPR Girls, so you can check that out. So I'm going to use this lime mini kit, and then I'm also going to incorporate. If you remember when I did the lemon spread, I was like, I kind of wish this was a lemon lime spread. So I'm probably going to incorporate some of this lemon leftovers from the sticker patch from the previous plan with me from this week. So I'll try to remember to link that in an iCard so you guys can check out that plan with me in case you missed it. Just in case. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is kind of like layer things in. So I'm going to grab this half box, the lime half box, and grab this lemon water. Look, Becky, it's just for you. Lemon water. Okay, I'm going to put this as far as I can up because I don't want to cover up too much of the lemon water. Is that a little crooked? Maybe. Let's try to pull it a little bit. Nope, don't pull it off. What are you doing? Okay, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. All right, and then we'll layer this one in like so. And then what happened on Monday, the 12th, was something simple. Kix was here, and we also had a campsite visitor. So I'm going to grab, I was trying to decide what color pin. I don't think I want to accent the blue that much by using blue, but we do need to do a little pin test on which green we think would be good. That's the Paper Mate. And then this is the gel. Okay, this one is way more neon, so I'm going to go with this one that's more limey. Okay? Okay. All right, so Kix was here. Kix here. And then we also had a campsite villager. It was a green mouse. I don't even remember what his name was. Campsite visitor. Oh, if you're new to my channel, I do Animal Crossing memory planning in this planner. So if y'all want to stick around. All right, and then let's see. Tuesday. What did I do Tuesday? Tuesday, Just Flick was here. So just a tiny little thing. So I think I'm going to grab probably this quarter box because it's Just Flick. And then we'll grab another. Should I grab another lemon box? I think I want to spread those out a little bit more. So I think we're going to use this and probably add in some washi tape going across as well. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so Flick here. Flick collects bugs. Flick here. So I grabbed these two. I'm really loving this lime, this kawaii lime. China just sent me this, so thank you, China. It's like fresh in my mind. Okay, we need my teeny tiny scissors, which are my memory keeper scissors. And we need to snip it that, because I was not very kind to it. Okay, we're just gonna put this in down here as a little bit of deco. Okay, just a smidge. My washi cutter is my Cricut scraper. There you go. Which my husband super glued back together for me. Because struggle. All right, and then Wednesday, Sahara was here. So once again, just a little blurb. I think I'm going to go with using a lemon quarter box. How about that? Lemon quarter box. Kind of mix and match there. Okay, so we have lemon here. And put Sahara. Ooh, click. Sahara. Did you like my sound effects? Here. And then let's grab this kind of like lemony limey, and we're just gonna tear it. I want to give more of a teared effect. I know I snippeted that one, but I'm thinking I just want to tear it. And then what if I go a little bit further with it? I don't know what I'm doing on with Thursday. What was Thursday? Hope it's not a lot, because I decided to go all the way across with this one. All right, this one I think she also gave me. I don't think I had this one before. Is that upside down? I hope not. It is what it is now. Okay. This one, let's go ahead and grab one of those lime boxes. All right. Let's grab this one because this one's kind of white spacey. Not white spacey. It's got like a white background to it, and so does this one. So maybe we'll contrast it with this right here. a little bit. All right, and then Thursday, Apple sent me yellow flowers in the mail. That's it. That's all I'm putting. Okay, so for this one, let's grab a lemon half box. How about that? Because we are mixing our lime and lemons. Or should I use this yellow? I don't like that dark of a yellow though. Okay, we need a little bit of a box to write in. So we're going to go ahead and grab this one with the basket. But I'm going to put this over here so it's not right next to that one. Okay, and then so for Apple, which I'm sorry to tell you, but Apple has moved away. Apple has moved away. Apple's a little like reddish pink hamster. Apple sent me flower bag. I'll just put flowers. That sounds cuter. All right, Friday. Friday, Gulliver was here. He's just a regular sailor. So let's go ahead and grab a lime one to kind of go up with it. We'll grab this one because that one I'm not sure if I'm going to use. It's got a lot of blue in it. I'm not positive, but I did grab some blue washi in case I decided to incorporate more of that. So it is up in the air. All right, how about we turn our box? Because I can. Ooh, what's the width on this? Ooh, Erin Condren width. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this up here. Why not? And then we'll grab, like I said, it's lemon lime, so we're going to grab a lemon box. And Gulliver was here for parts, and we'll just layer that in over here. I like it. Gulliver. Not Gulliver. Oop, I did it again. Gulliver here. And he wants parts for his communicator, which is his cell phone. All right, Saturday. We had a lot going on Saturday. I felt like the game was trying to catch me up because I apparently didn't play in that much. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with using one of these half boxes. Okay, so that one's right there. So we'll grab this one. How about that? We'll grab this one. We're going to put it over here because we're probably going to add some washi going across a little bit. Okay, so for this one, we had a campsite visitor. His name was Tad, and he was a frog. So we had another campsite visitor. Campsite visitor. And then what else happened? Gulliver sent me a sombrero. Happy mail from Gulliver. Here, we'll use this lemon one. We'll put it over here. Try that. Okay, sombrero. From Gulliver. Got it. Curly sent me a painting, and then KK was also here that day, but I don't think I have a movie marquee. So that's okay. I said I didn't want to use that one, so we're going to use this other... Okay, we're going to use the speckled one, just because I don't want to use the same one again. Put this one in the very bottom. And I'm just going to put KK was here. I'm not going to put the thing about Curly. Curly's my pig. KK, only me. Oop. Didn't write that in quite right. Okay, that's fine. And then, let's see. Sunday, I did not play. I did not have time, and that's okay. Sometimes that happens. Okay, so I thought it would be fun to decorate that area with the rest of my full boxes because I can, because I didn't play. So I will add like a day off sticker or something, but, you know, I'm going to do what I want to do. So I'm thinking I want to cover up notes for sure. So let's go ahead and put this in the middle. Is that in the middle? That's centered? Thanks for telling me. No idea. Okay, and then what if we stagger these in the corners? It'll be kind of structured, but that's okay. I think it's a little fun. So we might add some of that blue washi just because I did go ahead and use that box. Okay, I'm going to say we're a little off center, but that's okay. We're going to say it's on purpose. All right, I'm going to grab this half box right here, and we're just going to put it right there. It'll kind of cover up the fact that it's not even, I think. We're just going to pretend. And then I do have a day off sticker, so we'll use that there. Now the blue washi that I said maybe I should incorporate now because I did incorporate some blue is this bow washi from So Cute Planner. So we need to incorporate that somewhere. You know what? Let's flag it out and we'll put it up top, I guess. Because why not? I tore it and then I changed my mind. I do that on occasion. I'm a mind changer. Okay. I'll tear that with my Cricut scraper. Voila. I did go ahead and put my little fox one on here because I don't know. I just felt like I went with the rose gold better. Okay, so I need to measure this out and then cut it right there and then flag it out and then put it down. I had not used this washi before. This washi's from So Cute Planner. It was gifted to me, which was so nice. Okay. All right. Nip. Ruin the bow. I ruin it all the time. It's okay. The July sticker is leftovers from Party Planner from a long time ago. In case you're like, where's that one? I know it doesn't have a Y on it. All of them are abbreviated. I'm aware. Okay, so we're going to put me time with my day off sticker. How funny is that? That would just be funny. Okay, we'll do that. And then as far as like Apple sent me flowers, we can put the little envelope there. And then we like to have Coffee Monday because we're a planner girl. And then I don't really have anything else that I would use from this kit unless I want to use some of these little flags, which are adorable. We could do that. Not that one there. We'll put this one here. And then we'll put this one. Keep turning my planner, sorry. I'm a crazy planner girl today. Okay. We have that and that and that. I think that looks good. I used quite a bit of leftovers, actually. Actually, I did. Okay, I don't think anything over here necessarily. I spend money with Sahara. She sells you carpets. So I'll put that down. Campsite visitor. Here, we'll put the little house. Campsite visitor. Flick, you catch bugs for us. That doesn't really apply. Golliver wanted cell phone parts. I'll have a cell phone sticker for that. I don't have a Happy Meal sticker. KK sings. I don't have a music sticker. Okay, so that's it for that one. Oh, I did want to grab a quote sticker. I don't know if it's going to fit now. I was going to grab a quote sticker. I was going to have Think Happy, Be Happy, but now I'm not sure if that's going to fit. But I wanted some kind of quote. This is the watercolor sticker book. I find a lot of good quotes in here. Let's see. Let's do What a Fun Time. Let's use that one. We'll just incorporate that one. I think we'll do it over here. I think it'll pop. There we go. What a fun time. And then I don't want to say like hello friends. Not Friday. What we got? Bunch of to-do stickers. Me time. Oh, I should have put shopping for Sahara. That would have been funny. That would have been hilarious. Okay. I'm not seeing any other ones that I would want to incorporate, I don't think. Ooh, this one's fun. Hooray, Flick is here. We'll use that one over there. That's fun. Okay. We'll stop there with that. And then I need to add in some functionals. So with Flick here, I like to use this one because it has a net on it. It's from Sweet Kawaii Design. And then Oliver's parts. No, he's not a robot. He wants parts for his phone. That's what that is. Okay. As far as campsite villager, I don't think I have anything. I have a day off sticker from Planning in Blue Jeans that I thought I would put in there. And then we can just put that a lot was going on in the game. We'll put this little game controller from Raindrops on Paper Co. I did actually see Red recently, but it had been a while since I had seen him, so that was kind of weird. And then I don't think there's anything else really. I don't think so, because I didn't have CJ. Nope, none of my villagers were sick, and I didn't get any photos. So I think that is it for my spread for July 12th through the 18th. Like I said, I have memory plan in here. And since it's a lemon lime spread, I'm going to grab my lemon and my lime, of course. So lemon goes first because I said lemon and lime. And then we'll put the lime on this side. So then we'll switch those two. We'll put the green bow over here, and then we'll put the lemon kawaii freebie on this side. How fun! I really like how this turned out. So I hope you guys are having fun this week. And thank you guys so much for ordering during our Christmas in July sale. It means so much to us. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!